Good morning, dear students. Welcome to EVS class. In today's class, we will learn our next lesson. As you have seen this particular picture story in your textbook, let's start with this. Here, there are two families. First is Venu's family, another is Rani's family. Both families have some different activities and some different tradition of family environment. They have different environment. Like see in this first picture, you will see here Venu's mother is cooking food and Venu's father is cleaning the floor. Means they shared their work. But in Rani's family, Rani's mother is only cooking the food. She is only working. In Venu's family, her mother, her father, and Venu, all the family members are eating together and enjoying the time. But in Rani's family, her brother and father are eating and she is serving the food, means they will eat in last. In third picture, we will see here Venu is cycling, her father and mother are reading the newspaper, so they are enjoying and spending time, and family members are all together and enjoying the life. But in second case, in Rani's family, her father is reading newspaper and her mother and she is doing the household work. So these are the different family structures which are followed in both the families. Means in both the cases some different family environment is there. In one family all the members share the work, and in another one particularly female members have to work. Let's see in the second page what is there. Some questions are here for you. Accordingly you have to answer it. It may be depend on you. What kind of work are people doing in both the families? In both the families, different type of work structure is there. In Venu's family, all the family members work is shared, but in Rani's family, only female have to work. So accordingly, you have to answer it. In Venu's family, all the family members shared their work. In Venu's family, all the members shared their work. But in Rani's family, all the works are done by female members. Female members means her mother and the Rani herself have to perform all the works of the family. So this is the major difference in both the families. दोनों family में यही एक major difference है. In Venu's family, all the family members shared their work, but in Rani's family, only female have to work. Is your family like any one of these families? Is there the possibility of any two? As your family is like Venu's family or Rani's family? It depends on your family environment, which is the condition of your family structure and what is to be followed by your family. Actually, in our Indian society, it is considered that only girls have to do the work. So they have to work the household and they have to perform different activities related to work, like cleaning, like sweeping, like cleaning utensil, like washing clothes, cooking food, and all the things. And they have not equal chance as the boy. If girls in our society also get an equal chance to perform in their field, they will bring glory to the country. Like you have heard about the Kalpana Chawla, you have heard about particularly P.T. Usha, Mary Kom, and a lot of ladies are there and women are there who performed well in their field because they have given chance. So in our society it is to be there, means girls are also equal as the boy. So there must be the feeling of equality among themselves. So that is the main motto of that portion of the chapter, means girls and boys are equal in family. So accordingly we have to perform the work and treat in society. Don't think so that girls are not able to do any particular task. They can do if they get a chance to perform it. Now in second page you will see, if not, let us talk about your family, means it is talking about your family positions. First is, do all people in your family eat together? Is all the family members are eating together in your family? Yes, mostly all family members are eating together, means all the family members are enjoying the time with each other, so they are eating together and enjoying the most of the time. Second is, who eats last in your family? Who eats last? No, no one eats in last. All are eating together. All the family members are eating together, so no one eats in last in your family. Sometime it may be possible that you or your father have to go somewhere else and he return back, then eats food, but in most of the cases it is the position that all of you are eating together. So I have given this answer. It may be the possibility that it may be changed, so accordingly you can change your answer. Then third is, who does not help in cooking food in the family and why? Somehow, due to some reasons, some people are not able to help in cooking by any other way. So in most of the cases you are not able to help in cooking as you are a little one. So I am unable to help in cooking as my mother not allows me to do the work. Your mother is not allowing you to do any work in kitchen because it may be a risky one. Okay. Then next is regarding your family and your friend's family. Who cooks food in your house and who cooks food in your friend's house? Like in your house, who cooks food? Your mother cooks food. In the same way, in your friend's family, who cooks the food? In your friend's family also, his or her mother cooks food. And if there is sister, then his sister is also there, then his sister may also cook. Who buy things from the market? Your father brings things from market. In the friend's family, his father and grandfather is there, so then grandfather is there. He brings the things from the market. So then sweeping, who sweeps in your house? Maid is also there, or your mother. Maid means servant is there, or your mother is there, or in friend's house only mother is cleaning the house. Cleaning utensils, who cleans the house? Maid is there to clean the utensils, or your mother may cleans the utensils if maid is not there. But in your friend's family, his mother and sister cleans the house or cleaning utensils. Next is filling water. Who fills water in your house? Nowadays it is very easy to push on the switch, so it is one of the easy tasks. But in early days people have to bring water from a long distance, from wells, lakes or ponds, so that is the particular difficult task. Now you're in a family, who fills the water? It may be possible your father fills the water, but in your friend's family it may be possible that his sister is filling the water. Means these are the sample answers. Answer may depend on you. and your friend's family position. So you can do it by your own. You have to mention three more activities, like you can also write like that is cooking, cleaning, like washing clothes. Who washes the clothes in your house? Who washes? Suppose your mother is washing the clothes, but in your friend's family, sister is washing the clothes. Some other work may be there, like uh, watching TV. That is also kind of activity. So you can also write it. So who all the family members enjoy the television programs, but in your friend's family, father and grandfather are watching television. So many activities are there which are to be performed by the family members. You can write it by your own also. See in the next page what is there. Who does more work? In your house, who does more work? Most probably mother is there who does more work. In your friend's house, her or his mother is also there. Means mother is doing more work in both houses. The condition may be different that in their house. So that is the section which is related with the household works and the division of the work in the house. And now in the second section you will see there is another part of the chapter, that is sources of food. From which source we get food? So you have to understand here that food means where does what we eat come from. That means whatever we eat, it comes from some source. It may be the plant, it may be the animal. So let us understand what is it. You have to mark green the items that we get from plants and mark red around the things that we get from animals. So let's mark the things we get from, particularly from plants. What we get from the plants? Turmeric, haldi, corn, lemon, ajwain, potato, spinach. These are the things we get from plants. Banana, onion, tomato. These are the things we get from plants. Now see what things we get from animals or insects. Honey we get from honeybees. These are insects from animals getting. Fish, milk we get from cows, buffalo, egg, meat. All these things we get from animals. Now you have to write by your own, your choice. Like we get chickens from animals. Like we get something like apples from trees. So that is another thing. You can also write radish we get from plants. In the same way you have to write another three by your own. So you can do it. The next portion is regarding the medicinal plants around you. Medicinal values of the plant which are used by you in your family. When you are sick, your mother told to use some things to cure some medical problems. Like if you get hurt, then you uses turmeric to cure the particular problem. In stomachache, you uses mint and ajwain to cure it. In the same way, in cough and cold, you use tulsi, you use black pepper, you uses ginger to cure these things. But it doesn't mean that with the help of these things you are able to cure these. You have to consult a doctor if problem persists or if there is increase in the problem, because nowadays it is very difficult time. To avoid some unforeseen circumstances, you have to get checkup from a well-known doctor. In toothache, what you use? Clove, so that you will get some relief from the pain. There are a lot of things which are used for the treatment of different things, like for skin care. If skin problem is there, normally you can see in your house also aloe vera is there. That is one of the good thing which is used to cure skin problems, and many things are there which are easily available at your house. You can make a list of it and just collect the leaves of these medicinal plants as available in your house, so that we may think about the medicinal values. So some activities also allotted to you regarding that, you can do it. In the next portion, you have to classify the things according to the part of plant. Means you have to classify the things as per part of plant. Means which part of plant used to get these things. Okay, accordingly we have to mark it. That is very interesting part of your study. You have to just match. Okay, like carrot. What is carrot? Carrot is a root. So you have to mark it to another part. Like flower of Kashnar. Flower is there, then that is moved to flowers. Mango is a fruit, that is moved to fruits. Jackfruit is a fruit, moved to jackfruit. Ginger is a root, that is moved to other parts. Amla is fruits. Spinach leaves. Curry leaves. Cauliflower is a flower. Mustard is seed. Gram is seed. So that is a very interesting portion of your study in which you have to mark it. So you can do it yourself. So in that particular part, we have understood about three things. First is the division of work in the family. Second thing is the things we get from plants and we get from animals. Third is different things which are used as medicinal items in your home. So I think this is clear to you and you are able to do it. If you have any doubt, you may ask. Thank you and have a nice day.